What's up guys, here at the shop today. I'm gonna search this 2010 that I won at the auction on my live stream. Check this out. What the heck is that? So we're gonna try and start it, see what's up. So there's no security man today, so I gotta be extra alert, extra quick, you know, in case criminals come after me. Gotta secure the premises. Why does he have a little kiddie ride? All right, so this is a 2010 printout rulers. Sheriff's temporary tattoo. That's pretty cool. Ooh, candy. You want candy? Oh, what a tease. Nothing in there. Ooh, it's hotter than a biscuit. What's there? Split second thought this was real. The heck is this? Heaven banknote, $10,000. Funny money. Funny man, funny money. Oh, these are like I don't know what the heck this is for. Gang, hang, dang, dang. $10,000. That's a different one right here. Oh, this one's cool. Hell banknote. Oh, hell banknote. Hell bank. $10,000. A hell banknote. Wait a minute. Is this? What the heck? I'm gonna take a few dollars and make it rain. Make it rain, baby. What do you think of all this cash I found?
I need it. I need 500.
There you go.
$1,000.
Dude, you need 500?
Yeah.
One of them is 10,000. It's crazy. Look at these right here. Hell banknote. This one's a heaven banknote and a hell banknote.
What the heck?
It's hecka weird, huh?
I'll pay him with it.
Yeah, go ahead. Weird. What a bunch of garbage. Looks like the cop was addicted to 5-hour energy drinks. Dude, this can't be healthy for you. Jeez, just get some sleep. USB cable sticking out. A blue bullet. Probably to kill Smurfs or something. Now so I'm gonna heat up this bullet. Never try that at home. I'm a professional. What the heck is this? Angela and Sophia. What the heck is this? Ugh. Smells like weed. Some nasty weed. Looks like a weed grinder. Another weed piece. Little joint roller or something. Why are these criminals hiding weed products? Don't they know it's illegal to smoke weed in California? Okay, nothing there. Oh, I feel something. I feel something. Oh, I feel something. Oh my goodness, I can't get it out. It's like stuck. Looks like crack pipe, meth pipe. Okay, I'm real curious on what this is right here. So. Okay, I'm done holding my breath. Please be a gun, please be a gun. There's a door panel. Oh, there's a lighter. this methamphetamine or MDMA ecstasy tester. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna go test out that crack. Right here it is. Let's see. The solution is still there. Test tube is broken, but we can still figure it out. I'm gonna put the solution in here. Break it first. Dropped it in there. Oh man, damn it. I don't know what I'm doing. Messed the whole thing up. So far, nothing real good. You get those every once in a while. Sometimes they're full of goodies and some of them are nothing. What is this? Oh yes, look at this. Look what I got. Dynamite shank weapon. Oh no, there's no shank at the end of the dynamite shank weapon. But you know what, since we didn't really find anything too crazy in this car, I'm gonna demo this for you guys. I'm gonna blow up the funny man's car. Some type of rocket launcher. Put it to the test. Gonna make myself a homemade rocket launcher. Now the neighbor is gonna be screaming his head off over this, but you know what, I don't care. Oh, what the heck, all that anticipation, no reward. All right, let's try that again. Okay, intel says that the criminal hideout should be right over there. Command, I need permission to nuke the criminal hideout. Gotcha. You hear that? That's the neighbor. We're gonna try to start this baby up. Nothing.
Not even start, not even nothing.
Oh crap. Alright, so he's holding open the throttle body. Oh, almost. Is that all it is? The throttle body or what?
Yeah, because it's not opening when you push on the gas.
What if
This should be opening and shutting, but it's not. Probably this part.
maybe I should switch it?
Because if you see, it turns on and it wants to wiggle a little bit, but it doesn't open. So it could be this too. Here, oh shit, look at it. It's not on there. That's why.
Oh crap.
Here, I'll turn the key and tell me if that moves or not.
Okay, alright. No. But right now we're switching the whole thing. The whole thing. It goes. Put the thing back on?
We just have to set it on top to see if it works.
Okay. Yeah, buddy! Hell yeah. Alright, got this baby running. It's got 106,000 miles. Whoa, 12,597 idle hours. That's the most I've seen it ever. Woo! Alright, so we gotta test this out. Hope we don't get pulled over because this car is full of crack pipes.
Is it?
Ammo, weed, yeah. Oh man, it moves. Woo! So guys, I have a dynamite shank weapon, as you guys already know. This is a 3-in-1 weapon. So usually there is a dagger that comes out right here. So if any criminals come near you, you can just but unfortunately this one fell off. Exactly. And also, like, if your car breaks down, you can use this end as a flare, for example. Like right there, it's a flare, but this is a 30-minute flare. Once the flame gets to this line right here, it turns into a dynamite and it blows up like boom. So what you want to do is keep a timer on you. All right, it's almost time. It's about to blow, so throw it in. Watch out. Dynamite shank weapon. Dynamite shank weapon.